Who it's for. Office workers, stay active during long hours at your desk. Remote professionals, enhance your home office setup with added movement. Seniors and individuals with limited mobility, engage in low-impact exercise safely. Fitness enthusiasts, supplement your workout routine with additional leg movement. Pros: low-impact exercise, gentle on joints, making it suitable for all fitness levels. Improve circulation. Regular use can enhance blood flow and reduce the risks associated with sedentary behavior. User-friendly interface. The intuitive control panel and remote make operations straightforward. Cons: remote batteries not included, require separate purchase of batteries for the remote control. Limited resistance levels, may not provide the intensity desired by those seeking a vigorous workout. Display panel angle. The 45-degree tilt may not be optimal for all users. Get yours today. Purchase the Under Desk Elliptical by clicking on the Amazon link in our description. Affiliate disclosure. As an Amazon associate, we earn from qualifying purchases. Support our channel. If you found this review helpful, like and share the video. Leave your thoughts or questions in the comments. Subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and tips. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more reviews.